Bears have a sense of smell 2,000 times better than ours and can even detect prey out at sea. They know the salmon are coming. They also know the best fishing spots and are prepared to fight for them. The young and overeager try to catch the salmon while they're still in the surf. Those with experience are more patient. Wise old bears wait for the salmon to move into the river, where they know the fishing will be easier. The incoming tide signals a change. The experienced bears now take up their prized fishing spots at the mouth of the river. As the fish are funneled into shallower water, a seal gets its chance. The wolves will have to wait. Bears dominate the river mouth. These bears rely on the salmon run for nearly 90% of their year's food. Most of the salmon make it upstream past the bears, but now they must run the gauntlet of wolves. The sheer abundance of this seasonal bounty has made these bears the largest in North America.